Today, I'm going to show you how to make ElevenLabs light theme in just a few clicks. If you're using ElevenLabs and prefer a brighter, cleaner interface, switching to light mode is quick and easy. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want better visibility during the day or just a more comfortable look while you work. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top corner of the screen where your profile picture appears. This is where your account settings are located. Click on your profile picture to open the menu. After the menu appears, look for the theme option. ElevenLabs usually keeps appearance settings inside this menu, so you don't need to search through multiple pages. Click on theme to open the display options. In most cases, you'll see theme choices such as dark and light, depending on your current setting. Now, select light. As soon as you choose it, the interface should update immediately and switch from dark mode to light mode. You'll notice the background becomes brighter, the text contrast changes, and the overall layout feels more like a traditional web app theme. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a second to load or refresh the page once. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed ElevenLabs to light theme. It only takes a moment, but it can make the platform much easier to use for long sessions, especially if you prefer brighter screens or want a clearer view while working on voice projects. If this video helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.